Llandyfri RFC's first team had a triumphant season where they became the champions of the Indigo Premiership. The players and coaches' continued development, dedication and hard work has played a vital part in their success over the past few seasons. The Indigo Premiership League is comprised of 12 teams from across Wales. It is the highest league that any club in Wales can be a part of and is the pinnacle of a league structure that includes approximately 300 rugby teams. This really puts into perspective how much of an achievement it is to be named the best rugby team in Wales.
Wedi sefydlu yn 2008, mae clwb rygbi merched Henni Gwyn ar Daf yn dîm sydd wedi mynd o nerth i nerth. Maent wedi cynyddu mewn niferoedd ac erbyn hyn mae ganddynt dîm merched dan 18 oed a than 15 oed yn ogystal â thîm hun. Cafodd tîm hun y merched dymor gwych gan ddŵr enillwyr y bencampwriaeth ac ennill dyrchafiad i'r uwch gyngrair. Uchafbwynt y tymor oedd chwarae yn y Stadiwm y Principality lle gwnaethant ennill y plat diolch i sgôr buddigol yn eiliadau ôl ar gêm hynny'r cyffroes yn erbyn Porth Tywyn.
Llanelli Warriors led the way as the leading mixed ability inclusive rugby team of the season. They have managed once again to accumulate the most points for the most games played and most games won on a global stage. They continue to inspire other mixed ability teams across the world in rugby and other sports. Whilst renowned on an international level, the Warriors have continued to operate at a local and national level, which brought them success closer to home, winning the WRU Mixed Ability Showcase match and silverware in the form of the Louis Cup, Anniversary Cup and DPL Foundation Cup.